Mr. John, Principal of the Auckland House School for Boys, guests, parents, staff, and my dear children. Today has indeed been a very enjoyable morning with our tiny tots from the nursery to class 2 presenting their skills on the play field before us. We're very lucky that the weather gods have been kind to us, even though this year there has been so much of rain and even snow descending on us. But yes, a bright sunny day for the bright and sunny little children. The teachers worked very hard to make this event a success. Getting little children to even move in the same direction together is a stupendous task. And believe me, the teachers have worked extremely hard in order to get what you have seen performed today. I congratulate the teachers, especially the physical education staff, Mrs. Sangeeta Chauhan, Sushma and Caroline Datta, Mrs. Vinita Wilson and her team for the excellent performance put up by the children. I'd like to congratulate each and every child who came forth and participated. We have 356 children in this section of the school, and each and every child has been in one event or the other today. I'd like to express my gratitude to all the parents who have taken time out to be with their children today, to witness their performance and boost their morale. I'm sure each one of you felt rewarded when your little ones tried to spotted you, waved to you, and you saw their faces light up in joy just because you were there. Thank you for being with them. Thank you for being there to cheer them and to make their day so very special. Parents, it is your cooperation that goes a long way in helping the school to be able to do its best for your child. The school does its best, but we would be completely unsuccessful if you did not hold our hand in this endeavor. As our chief guest has so rightly pointed out, this is the time when the need of the hour is to inculcate the right values in our children. And these first lessons begin at the very bottom. That is when the child first comes to school. Little things like saying thank you, saying please, standing in line, and being generous to their friends, being able to participate and cooperate with each other, all go a long way in building up the characters of these little children. They're small today, but very soon, before we know it, they're going to grow up, and then we are going to wish that they were back at this age again, because this is the best age of their lives, when there are no worries, no tensions. You saw the little ones unconcerned whether they were winning or losing. And especially this little child who, though she suffers from wheat allergy, did her best to win that race. So much so that she went back to get her cap because she hadn't got it. And I think that is what all sports is about. Participating to the end, not winning or losing. I'd like to conclude by once again thanking our chief guests, parents, staff, and the children for today's event. Thank you very much.